Hello lovelies, thank you all for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I achieve this slimy, slippery flaxseed hair mask conditioner. This hair mask will strengthen your hair, it promotes hair growth, moisturizes your hair, it will soften your hair and also add shine to your hair. It prevents hair loss and also treat scalp issues. With that being said, let's get straight into the video. Over here are my ingredients. These are my oil face. Okay, let me introduce this to you. Here I have 50 grams of shea butter. This is my shea butter, raw shea butter. Okay, as always I have my recipe book here with me. I've written down all the measurements here. Okay, so here is my it's 55 grams. Okay, my shea butter is 55 grams measured out. Here I have my rosemary oil, infused rosemary. This is D.I.Y. I did it myself. Okay, so the rosemary is 10 grams. I have lavender oil here. It's also 10 grams. I infused this myself. And over here is avocado oil. Okay, I have 10 grams of that too. Avocado oil, 10 grams. And over here is grapeseed oil. Here is my grapeseed oil. I have it in 20 grams. Okay, and over here is my Cetyl Alcohol. Here is it. And my wax, emulsifying wax. This is what will combine the water and the oil together. Okay, so for the wax I have it in 60 grams and the Cetyl Alcohol is 20 grams. That's it for my oil face. So for my water face, I have 500 grams of distilled water here. And also I have 100 grams of flaxseed gel. Flaxseed, sorry. It's not yet a gel. So this is the flaxseed I'm using. I'm going to boil this and to form the gel. You understand? I'll show you the process. Okay, so the flaxseed and the water is my water phase. Okay, and for the cool down phase, I'll be adding glycerin, vitamin E oil, preservative, tea tree oil, and peppermint oil. Okay, so when it's time to use all this, you will see how I do that. Okay, so now let me add all my oil face together in this big bowl. I'm going to add my oil face into this. Okay, guys, feel free to make use of any oil of your choice. Okay, it's not compulsory to use exactly what I'm using. If you like coconut oil, you can add it. I like it too, but I run out of coconut oil. So I'm going to add all this together. And even if your oils are not much as this one, just make use of what you have. Okay, and you will get the perfect what's it called, hair mask. Okay, I'll make sure to put all these ingredients and the measurements in the comment section below. Guys, all these oils are very, very good for the skin and hair. They have amazing benefits. Okay, check the description area for more benefits. If I should start talking about the benefits of these ingredients, this video will be too long. Okay, I'll try and put it in the comments in the description area. Okay, so now here is my oil face all added together. So now what I'm going to do next is melt down this by doing the double boiler method, okay? No direct heat, please. I'm going to melt down this with the double boiler method, okay? I've shown that in my previous videos. I'll leave you see a card that will pop up there. Check out how I melted down my butters and oils using the double boiler method, okay? So I'll do that, and as I'm melting down this, I'll also prepare my flaxseed gel, okay? So now let's move to the next stage. In a clean pot, I'll add my distilled water. I have 500 grams here, okay? Bring it to a boil. Then my flaxseed gel, add it, then allow it to boil. As I'm doing that, I'm melting down the butters here, as you can see, okay? So I will allow this to melt down completely. Then the flaxseed gel, you will see how it turned out after boiling. As you can see, the gel has started forming up, you can see. So I'm going to allow it to cook a little bit more, not too thick. I'm not going to make it too thick, because if it is too thick, straining it out will be very difficult, okay? So I'll just leave this to cook a little bit more. And if you strain it out watery like this, when it cools down, it will be more thicker, okay? So I'll allow this to boil a little bit more. And over here is my butters and wax. It's almost done, okay? And a medium heat, or just gently melt it down. I'm okay with the consistency of the gel, so I'm going to strain this out now, okay? If it is thicker than this, straining it out will be difficult. So I'm straining this out now before it gets cooled down, okay? You can see how easily the gel passed through the strainer. If it is thicker than this, it will have been a war. Yeah. So my flaxseed gel is ready. Over to the next step. My oil phase and the water phase is ready. So I'm going to add the water phase into the oil phase gradually. And as I do that, I will stick blend the mixture together so that it will combine together very well, okay? So watch as I do that, okay? So I'm going to add the gel into the oil mix, okay? Guys, see, you can see that it's still liquidy. It will get more thicker as it cools down. It's very hot now, so I'm going to stick blend a little bit more, then allow it to rest, okay? You can see how slimy it looks. That's the flaxseed, okay? Your hair will love this. The flaxseed gel in this mixture is going to give the slippery texture. It's the one that's going to give the conditioner a slippery texture for easy detangling of your hair. Okay, and also it nourishes, prevents hair loss, and also stimulate hair growth. Okay, a lot of benefits. This ingredient has a lot of benefits, and I'll try and list some of them out in the description area, so remember to check it out. Okay, so at this stage I'm going to add my phase C. Okay, that's the cool down phase. So here is a glycerin. I'll add about 5 grams of glycerin. Okay, this is an humectant. Okay, and also vitamin E oil to expand the shelf life. Vitamin E oil is very good. Also about 5 grams. I have tea tree oil here. I'm going to add just 5 drops. Okay, okay, and the next one is peppermint oil, also 5 drops of it. Then the last ingredient is my preservative. Okay, this will preserve the mixture for a very long time. Okay, not too much, it's okay. Then I will mix everything together again. Here is the final look of the hair mask. Okay, this is very nourishing and will give your hair a very good sleep. Okay, this will detangle your hair, it will nourish your hair, stimulate hair growth, repair damaged hair, and this is very safe for all hair type, whether relaxed hair, colored hair, or natural hair. It's very safe for all hair type. Okay, so in a clean jar, I've already sanitized my jar, as you know me. Okay, I'm going to transfer the hair mask into a clean jar. I hope I'm not creating a mess here. This is it, guys. I'm done making my flaxseed hair mask. Okay, so try this and apply it on your hair, and trust me, your hair will thank you after that. Okay, thank you for watching to this point. That's it for this video. Remember to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it out. Okay, till I come your way next time, stay blessed and bye bye.